If I were the king of the forest, I laugh and I growl and I roar. If I were the king of the forest, I just love animals, don't you? They make me so happy. You know, when I was a little child, I used to have an aquarium full of fishes. It's something my father and I had that we shared with each other. And I had those fishes and I just stared at them in their tank and they swam around. But I realized you can't hold a fish. You can't love and kiss and cuddle with a fish. So I just sort of lost interest, and then all of a sudden they were all dead. So I decided I needed something different, something warm-blooded. So I saw this Hallmark television commercial, and there was this little boy in there, and he had this little kitten, and he loved that kitten. I said, I've got to have a kitten. And so I got this little kitten. Every night I'd curl up in bed with that cat and I'd have it sitting next to me. And sometimes during the middle of the night after I'd pet it and loved it, I just threw it out of the bed because I couldn't stand to have it in bed with me anymore. And I began to realize that maybe I wasn't as loving and as caring as a person as I'd made myself out to be. And you know, it turned out that's been a lifelong pattern with me, because as I got older I decided I wanted to have the ideal relationship. I wanted to have a lover, to have a boyfriend to cuddle up with and give all my love to. And we'd be in bed and we'd make love and we'd fall asleep in each other's arms, and sooner or later I just had to pull up my legs and kick him out of the bed because I can't stand to have someone rubbing up against me all night. I can't stand it. I have never, however, been a bedwetter. My skin is made of